Hello everyone. In this video, we will be looking for how to combine two sheets using VLOOKUP. Suppose I have two sheets. That is, on one sheet I have student's record, that is student roll number, name, class, university roll number. And on the another sheet, I have student's roll number, email ID and father name. I want to combine these two sheets, but first of all I have to just select first roll number, then I can match this roll number in this sheet and I can fetch the data, that is email ID and father name. So one way is to just copy it with the help of Ctrl C and paste on this sheet. But if I have a long list, so it is very difficult to find the roll number of one student on another sheet and fetch the result. So in this case, we have a function, or you can say a formula, that is VLOOKUP, so that we can join these two sheets. Now see how it will work. First of all, I want to fetch the email ID of these students, but I want to match the roll number of this list with roll number of this list. Now suppose I have to just write the formula, but before that understand this is column 1, column 2, column 3. I want the data of column 2 of this sheet will be on this column of sheet 2. Now see, I have to write equal to, then I have to write the formula VLOOKUP. After that it is asking lookup value. My lookup value is this roll number. I want to check this roll number on another sheet. Then press comma. After that it is asking for table array. My table array is on another sheet, that is this. I want to check from this list, that roll number from this list. After that in formula bar you can see it is sheet 4, sign of exclamation sign, A1 to C22, that is the range of this table. And again I have to click comma. Now it is asking for index. I want second, that is the email address, this. So I am going to press 2 and 0 for exact match and close the bracket and press enter. It will fetch the email ID of this student, this particular roll number, and it search this roll number from sheet number 4 and write the email address of that student. Again I'm going to write the same formula with another method, that is equal to VLOOKUP. After that I have to just press Ctrl A, that is the shortcut key of VLOOKUP dialog box. Now see, we have 4 index here, that is lookup value. My lookup value is this one. Now I am going to check this roll number. Table array, I have to just click on sheet number 4 and select the data. Now it is asking index. I want email address of sheet number 4, that is index 2, and I want exact match. Either you can write 0 here or you can type false, then press, or you can type here 0, then press OK. Now it fetch the email ID of roll number this. If I want to implement this VLOOKUP formula on the entire column, then just drag it to downward direction. Now see, this NA indicates that this roll number is not in my this list. Now Suppose I want to check the father name. For this we can implement, we have one more method, that is just click here. Now go to formula tab, insert formula, and if you will see there is a all option. In all option you have to just click V for VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. This is our VLOOKUP function. I have to just click OK. Then again the same dialog box will appear. Now it is asking VLOOKUP value. I have to click VLOOKUP value, that is I want to match this roll number with my data is on sheet number 4 on this record. It will check my roll number from this list, and after I want to write the index number 3, that is my father name, right? Then you can press 0 here and click OK. Now see, yes, the father name of roll number 50 is this, Hasanpreet Singh. So it writes here Hasanpreet Singh, roll number 50, father name. And if you will drag it to downward direction, then it will show me the father name for entire column. It will first match this roll number with this sheet roll number. Remember one thing, if you want to join these two sheets, sheet 2 and sheet 4, you must have a common field. You must have a common column, that is I have in this particular example roll number is my common column in both the sheets, sheet 2 and sheet 4, so that we will join two sheets. That's it for this video.